Beginner's Guide to Mindfulness and Meditation. You've probably heard of mindfulness and meditation, however, both consist of slightly differing aspects. Both mindfulness and meditation involve mental processes, and each can offer some incredible benefits for your health and well-being. If you want to learn about mindfulness, meditation, or the combination of both, be sure to keep reading. Here is the Beginner's Guide to Mindfulness and Meditation. What is mindfulness? The present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. Thich Nhat Hanh. Mindfulness involves being aware. It concentrates on the present, rather than the future or past. When you are mindful, you are able to observe your feelings, without feeling challenged by them. Similar to meditation, being mindful offers benefits for your physical and mental health. It allows you to be fully aware of the present, offering better engagement with your day-to-day life. You can appreciate the present, which allows you to build better connections with people. Mindfulness also aids stress relief, improves your ability to sleep, and improves mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety. Note, there are many benefits of mindfulness exercises and mindfulness techniques. Here are just a few more articles and guides on mindfulness techniques. How a mindfulness body scan can help you manifest 6 fascinating mindfulness exercises that can help you manifest the benefits of mindfulness. How to stop overanalyzing everything and overcome worrying. How to awaken your Kundalini. 7 Kundalini awakening techniques. What is meditation? The mind can go in 1,000 directions, but on this beautiful path, I walk in peace. With each step, the wind blows. With each step, a flower blooms. Thich Nhat Hanh. Meditation is very similar to mindfulness. It involves calming your mind by acknowledging your present thoughts. In a way, it involves becoming familiar with the state of mindfulness. Again, there are many benefits of meditation. For instance, regular meditation will aid relaxation, improve symptoms of depression, and prevent feelings of stress. There are also physical benefits like lowering your blood pressure and alleviating tension in your muscles. Regular meditation will allow you to transform your life by improving your overall health and well-being. Be sure to also check out some of our other meditation articles. Here are our top 5 meditation guides. 1. What is walking meditation? How to go on a guided walking meditation. 2. 7 dangerous myths about meditation. 3. How to create your own personal meditation area. 4. How to meditate, a step-by-step beginner's guide to meditation. 5. Scientific meditation hack that saves you 70,000 hours. Mindfulness meditation. There are several ways to initiate mindfulness and meditation, and mindfulness meditation is just one popular method. This is a basic style of meditating that is simple for beginners to understand. You can meditate by yourself, via a class and instructor, or by an audio program. If you struggle with staying motivated, then this guided meditation audio is recommended. Getting started. Some forms of meditating involve using your concentration, which might include focusing on your breathing, a sensation, or repeating a mantra. Mindfulness meditation primarily involves building on your concentration to establish a relaxed state. During mindfulness meditation, you will form a concentrated state of mind, in order to observe your emotions, without labeling your thoughts as bad or good. You'll also come to reflect on the outer sounds and sensations that are a part of your current experience. You'll be able to do this without focusing on a single idea or feeling, or considering past or future emotions. During mindfulness meditation, you will observe the thoughts entering your mind and be able to decipher which are the key to positive well-being. With continued meditation on a regular basis, you will become more self-aware and happier in dealing with varying emotions that you encounter. A mindfulness meditation exercise. 1. Begin by sitting on a chair or on the floor with your legs crossed. 2. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. 3. Capture the sensations in your mind as you inhale and as you exhale. Notice the air entering via your nose and exhaling via your mouth. 4. Once your concentration has effectively fixated on your breathing, start to notice any sounds in the room. What can you hear? 5. Expand your thoughts to sensations. What exactly can you feel? 6. If your mind starts to stray, then focus on your breathing again to pull your thoughts back to the present. 7. Participate in this simple exercise for 10 minutes each day, and you'll gradually feel more centered and attached to your inner self. Mindfulness and meditation audio. If you feel uncomfortable in silence while you meditate, you can also listen to music or to some mantras. In fact, you can get all the benefits of 1 hour's meditation in just 12 minutes with brainwave audios.